Welcome to the New York State Tax Department's online services. In this demonstration, we'll show you how to make estimated tax payments using your individual online services account. Tax professionals can make an estimated tax payment on behalf of their clients through a tax professional online services account. The service will be listed in the Payments, Bills, and Notices section of the Client Services menu. Logging into your online services account will bring you to your account summary page. Open the Services menu in the upper left, and under Services, select Payments, Bills, and Notices, then select Make a Payment. You will also find a link to make a payment in the Account Summary section. On the Make a Different Payment screen, select the type of payment you would like to make from the drop-down menu. Pay My Estimated Tax allows you to make quarterly prepayments toward the taxes you expect to owe for the next tax year. Pay My Return allows you to make payment toward an amount you indicated you would owe on your return, but have not yet received a bill for. Pay My Extension allows you to make a payment toward an amount you indicated you would owe with your extension. Please note that Pay My Return and Pay My Extension can only be used to make return or extension payments. You must file a valid return or extension separately. When you're ready to proceed, select Continue. On the Estimated Tax Payment page, you can make or schedule up to 5 estimated tax payments for the previous quarter, the current quarter, and 3 future quarters. Each quarterly payment must be made or scheduled separately. Quarterly estimated tax payments you have made or scheduled can be viewed from your account summary page. For more information about a specific field, select the green question mark icon beside it. To begin, select the quarter for which you are making a payment from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the amounts of New York State, New York City, Yonkers, and Metropolitan Commuter Transportation Mobility taxes that you owe. Then click Calculate to see your total payment due. When you're ready, select Continue. You'll now be asked to choose your payment method. You can pay online with a direct debit from a bank account or with a credit card. If you choose to pay with direct debit or credit card, you may receive an error message if your browser is outdated. To learn more about browser requirements, select Support in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you choose to pay with a credit or debit card, our credit card services provider will add a non-refundable convenience fee to your tax payment. There is no fee to pay by direct debit. To make a payment by direct debit from your bank account, enter your bank's routing number as it appears on your check. The bank name should populate automatically. Next, enter and confirm your bank account number. Select the account type from the drop-down box and enter the name of the account holder. If you'd like us to save your bank account information for future filings, check the box labeled Save Bank Account. In the section headed Payment Summary, the amount of your payment will be displayed. If the return you're filing is not past due, you'll have the option to schedule your payment to a future date. You cannot schedule a payment later than the return's due date. If you have partially paid, or if we determine that you owe an additional amount, we will bill you for the remaining balance. We will not debit your account for more than the amount authorized. When you have finished setting up your tax payments, select Continue. This will bring you to the Review and Verify page. To make changes, select Edit. If no changes are needed, review the e-signature section and select Submit. On the Transaction Confirmation page, You'll receive a confirmation number to show that your estimated tax payment has been received. To print this confirmation page for your records, select Print. This completes our demonstration on how to make an estimated tax payment for personal income tax through your online services account. Thank you for your interest in New York State Online Services.